Without further ado, Miss Divya Dayana Dennis, can you step on stage? And Divya, before you go on, why don't you tell us something more about your book and where to buy it from?
Okay, I've just released a book earlier this year. It's called Skid Marks of Logic, and it's about Indian girls exploring their sexuality in the, oh my god, awful hypocrisy that exists in our society, where everybody like leads two lives and you just can't help it. You cannot say half the things that go on in your mind, and you so want to scream it out loud, but you cannot. Yes. Yeah. So anyway, that's what the book is about. And it's available on Flipkart.com. It's available in Oxford, near Casey College, Churchgate. It's available in Kitab Khana. It's available in many other places. And yeah, you should totally like go and buy it. And today what I decided to do was, since I am an author and I like creating stories, that I would create a kind of a story with what I'm about to say and take you, like try and transport you somewhere. So anyway, since let's like, so this is the intro. Again. I have only ever loved one guy, unconditionally. I can forgive him anything, including stamping all over my heart. He said, I know not what love is. He said, I was lucky that he was the one who screwed me over. Fool that I am, the only time I got upset was when he left me searching for his laughter in the void of his absence. So basically, this girl writes a poem, and the name of the poem is Rage, because she doesn't know what to do with that void. She doesn't know how to fill it. Okay. I would tear up all the papers of all the letters we ever shared. I would burn all the reasons why I ever thought you cared. I cared. But how do I burn up a mind already spinning out of control? Damn it, how to stop the thoughts? How to stem what won't be caught? Why did I ever memorize? Memories turned out to be lies. Why did I never see that everyone else, like everyone else your age, you were nowhere near ready to let go and find yourself so deep within me? Now I'm burning up the evidence. I'm screaming at the top of my lungs to drown out the din. Would it please you to know I nearly ran a knife through this heart to stop it behaving as it does? If it does not live, it does not love. These tears fill up the silver cups. I'm drinking my sorrow, saline medicine, another futile way to deaden the cells, the sensitivity. I'm still chasing the demon of your supposed love. Tie me up and cross me out. I know you know nothing about this stormy emotion parading as love, dripping through my soul and burning everything. I can't act, I can't think. So seeped in the sensations of what used to be. Reverse what happened between us. I don't ever want to see you again.